This should be a part of everybody's, not just cancer prevention protocol, but part of everybody's safety protocol. So we know, researchers know, the low levels of vitamin D are directly related to high levels of different cancer, especially the female cancer. Cervical cancer, breast cancer.
Say something to him so he'll do it again.
Say,
We need vitamin D
go,
every single day. So they break it down.
go.